Go. Hi guys, remember part 1? If you haven't seen it, we got started on our waterfall there, and here it is, just a cast. That's how it was. You were expecting it. I was expecting it to do that, but that's just how it is. That's how it was. That's how it's gonna cascade. And the walls are not on. Yeah, some things are different. And the walls, you know why? I use the dustpan as a spillway. It falls down. Look how low like that waterfall is, and it comes down, it crashes into that, it falls back. And this one just falls down and comes on that and splashes. Some comes down, but it all recirculates through that sliding filter. It recirculates it. And we add some plants. Put a rock over. Guess how many waterfalls there are, Dad?
How many?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
3 waterfalls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a lot. 6? I don't know.
5 waterfalls because guess what?
Show me.
No, like the cascades, like that fall down. There's usually supposed to be 4, but there's 5, you know. There's pretty much 4. Because that's supposed to come down, but some of it slides back. This waterfall. So there's pretty much 4 cascades.
Love it.
Because it's something that shoots out there. Well, there's kind of like 5. There's like it comes back and it cascades down the rocks. And then it's just like a slight wall. You know what that will be?
What?
Or blub. Shoot out. And there was a tubing back there. You could also create a backwards fountain that goes down. It's beautiful to just sit and chill and watch that little fountain. Today is Thanksgiving. Did you know that? All right, guys. We put rocks there to hold the pump down. Hey, God. Woo, that was a close one. And so that we ran the tubing from there. It goes around, up here. Then it shoots out. The water comes down this, comes down back there. Some actually cascades down the rock there, comes down there and falls. Yeah. It does sound sort of relaxing, right? Anyways, later we're gonna order. My dad's gonna order another pup, which is inside. Well, my dad's inside. And it's a pretty nice fountain, right? You see this? As soon as we finish that, guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put the pump in this area because the pump was supposed to be there. The real pump was supposed to be there. But we're gonna put the pump right there. Pile up some rocks. It'll just.
Or just what? Or just what?
It'll put like some big plants there, and remember the fish, frogs, and meats. And then we'll be done. So see you next time on part 3.